Alright, today we're going to be changing the transfer case oil on the old KZJ78. Oil it takes is going to be the 75 weight 90, and you're going to get a gear lube pump and a drain pan, and preferably some rags. So once you get underneath the car, you're going to see your transmission skid plate right here, and there's a hole. And up in there is your transfer case drain bolt. And then over here you have your transfer case fill bolt. So you're not required to take this off. I am going to take mine off, however, just so I can do some cleaning up in here. The drain bolt here is going to be a 24 millimeter, same as the fill plug. So let's go ahead and drain it. And it doesn't look too bad. And to speed it up, we're going to crack open the fill port so it can breathe. Now, pull your drain plug. I've already cleaned mine off, but just check for any extremely large chips. Make sure you don't have anything crazy. For the most part, you should be good. Just clean it all off. That way you can replace it. And we'll get over here now because the drain bolt, or the transfer case, is pretty much done being drained at this point. Still got a little bit up in there, but nothing crazy, so I'm just gonna wipe it. Wipe the surface off. And then we'll put the drain bolt back in. And make sure you tighten that back up. And once you start having it run out like that, you know you're at the top. So you can go ahead and stop. Took me just over 2 bottles. And once you got that, clean everything off and tighten down the bolt. And that's it, you're done.